Ladies and gents, this is an urgent market update. Yes, you guys are blessed with 2 videos in one day, but I thought I'd give you guys this market update because, of course, the next sessions you need to take advantage of. So it's good news because we know where the market wants to go, and it's actually aiming for the 13,300 level, which is that level just above. And if we go to the weekly and zoom out, we can match it to a candle right here. Okay, we can match it to this candle right here, and I just highlight it for you. So this is for everybody who's trading stocks and futures all alike. So if we go here, guys, we can see this is the candle is going to 13,345. Now, yes, it can go to this level. So now we know where it could potentially go. So the next thing we have to understand is where can it go from? Well, this is the level, and it tested it, okay, which is this wick right here, the green wick. It already tested it. So that means in the next session, it has to push to the upside, 13,300, which is tomorrow. That's the next session. So if we look at what stocks to trade tomorrow, and also this backs it up because we're looking at the stocks individually. We can see Tesla has tested its support level. Go to the 6 months. Its support level was this level right here, this previous hump, okay? Right here, this is support, 180. It tested it. Today, it done a double bottom right here, double bottom. It refused once, it tried again, and it refused to drop below. So that's an indication for the next session. Again, Amazon. Let's look at Amazon, 6 months. Okay, in 6 months, of course, we broke to the 100 level, and here we are coming down slowly, and we're at 97. Where is this 97? What is backing it up? Well, look in here, guys. Let's look at these little humps, okay? Or here, this is 98 level, 97 level, okay? So this used to be somewhat of a double top previously, but now it's holding this level. So what we're expecting for these is a push here to cover this gap right here, okay? Again, similarly, Tesla, we're looking for a push to cover these gaps right here. So now we have to understand that we need a specific level to be broken for us to aim for these levels. So we go back to the overall market, and the overall market tells us it bounced off this wick. So potentially, if this wick gets tested again tomorrow, which is 12,893 on this specific broker on its numbers, it can go to the body. From this body, it grabs liquidity, or it can come to this body as well. Okay, now that's too far off because we're on a bull run. The retracement is not going to be as big. So what's going to happen is us breaking or even testing this, and that's the max it can go, 12,780, and pushing back to 12,334. So again, for those trading stocks, you already have your levels. If this gets retested in the next session, the support gets retested again of 180, then you're looking for a long position. But if we look at Tesla, we know this overall was the support, okay? This here is the support. And we know the market was aiming for that support. So the reason why I said this is the support, because when the market retraces back after a bull run like this, okay, it's going to come down to the previous point. It had a minor resistance. So this is the resistance. You see it's a little push, and you see it's just spiked like this. So this now becomes support, this level right here. And you see once it tested it, 180, it bounced before. So yes, this 177 can get tested. So I believe, guys, if tomorrow we get a sell-off, then we expect it to 177, we take a long from there, a long position. Similarly with Amazon. Okay, well, Amazon is already as support, but it needs to probably test 101, and then we push off to this level right here. So that's what I expect in the comment section here in this video, guys, is for the market to show some bullish pressure, and all these retracements are there to give us a retest of the support, which we already established. Now I know this might sound confusing to a lot of you, but just V-shaped pattern, that's what I mean. Okay, V-shaped pattern goes like this, drop and recovery, and it could take 2 sessions to get there. So V-shape, V-shape, V-shape to get the biggest V-shape. Okay, and that's what we expect here. So if you're swing trading this position, my advice to you guys is to look at just averaging in, okay, especially the fact that we're getting close to the major support. And that's with other stocks as well. So now we have to find out, well, what could be the mover in the coming session? And the mover for us is the economic calendar, US, average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, unemployment rate. Okay, so this is the movers for us. But then let's go overall 4 hours on US Tech. Again, 4 hours has this level for us that needs to get covered. And then let's zoom out to 1 day. And 1 day actually points out that this is first resistance, but as soon as this gets engulfed, 13,147, next stop comes here. And again, we can back it up with the weekly. And the weekly tells us the nearest resistance where the market wants to test, which is this level here, 13,800. But again, it's going to stop at different levels. 13,500 is next. This is the next session. Any retracements to come right here is just a retracement, but the market remains bullish and we expect it to do this specific pattern. Hopefully this quick video, guys, gave you something to work with in the next couple of sessions. Smash that like button and hopefully you make money out of this analysis. As always, do your own research and trade responsibly. Peace.